Don't rub it in the woman's face.
Yeah.
Jimmy. This is Jimmy straight. Ubusa presenter and he said, or show the wife now. Into who show wife? Wife here will slave of it. And I said that, I mean, I know, man. Or tonight I be bonus. Me and Jimmy. Not bonus. I mean, you don't talk like that. What I said, why can I say? And I know part, the reason I'm bored up, your friend, at least admit it. Be a man to admit, say, okay, I said this. Man can ye. What are you saying? To try and play with whose mind?
Councillor. Good evening.
Good evening, Honorable John Dumelo.
What is saying?
And yesterday, Munina Musuma, what it is.
Councillor, me pacho, no cry and no cry. Asama okay no.
Saturday.
Asama okay no.
Asama I'm crying. So John Dumelo, let me help you. Kase asem na wo ti ye no. Ki kase de mu egu.
Asem na wo kan ye nya asem a me ti ye.
Dumelo. Listen, let me educate you. Asem na wo ti ye no.
Okay, no cry.
When we say ene, kwesi abwaji. For the first time on radio, so far, you sorry. Because what you asema? He said, is it an extract from a conversation? Because asem na okay na. If I say the president is a fool, we are sure the president is a I am near post to. Do you know the president I'm talking about?
Who say about tape now na utiana?
And I mean, Bisa said, "Dear, what see yana na dear make yana ubisa."
The who can yana mi bisao.
Men, dear make mankasa. Dear, what see one person now bisa.
Hold on.
No.
Oh, hold on.
No, John Dumelo. Mentia over and over. Don't wait.
Yes.
When I see yana.
And when okay yana.
David. So you see, let me explain to you now. Listen, let me school you, Gakra. Hear me. In the first place, well, I didn't want to give it an extension, but Obu for the station. So because we join for him. That's my father. But in the first place, no conversation be assumed. So, and then me catch it, Anno. Say Facebook full link in here. Until they buy a mistake. To say me. She cut Anno. They say me a man who me. That's where the conversation started from. But that's not where they got it from. We were discussing somebody telling the husband said, "Akwalana yako wono ni yefan nkoma children's home so that obet na wale." And I make sure we traditionally say, "Me ti we info say me ko wo until Akwalana be 5 years no. My wife should not be told, and I can't tell her until tradition will tell her."
Mentally has a
but
problem.
It's not
can you shut up and listen? But BullDog, you shut up and listen. BullDog,
yeah,
somebody know what's way. So the conversation we're having, and what Ochami was asking, the last thing you follow the conversation, the lion I said was leadership, and I came back to explain. But whoever wants to cut what you can read.
And you cut Asemo because the presenter asked you, Kofi asked you, said specifically.
Kofi asked the question from the beginning. If you like go back and play, go and let your production team play the.
Is that not also in Yamibe Choka?
Oh, that's all in Yamibe Casa. I'm a lion and a leader.
Okay, maybe. Okay, Miss Awesome.
Play the whole thing.
Okay, maybe Miss Awesome. Inti uni eba baby.
Oh, for me. Masa, se me wo be ne wa bontin a. Enya die bia e be sunu kwama me. But I've not gotten the opportunity. It's the worst thing to do in life. Dumelo, I mean, can you we have come to a point to kill a lot of men and women are suffering. The law in Ghana has not banned any married man not to have a child out of wedlock. Because the law is that when there's a proof of infidelity, the woman has the right to divorce and take for
but say maybe I will they different.
No, I want you to understand.
Different. You say what
me, Dumelo. I don't have a child. Nanekria don't come from the beginning say it is not good for the family Nanekria. Thank you very much. But the first thing is that social media because it means that from my house it is acceptable and can be discussed. Because I was not under duress. But let me can say, it's not so. Sana Matilda also can't say. The issue is that it's an issue, sir. Bear Marco. Now I bet our bedroom say, Wakawa. What would they want? We are here. Ah, Yako Wabra to me. Come on, move here. What are you sitting there for? If you think that a man's child is what is killing you, go to your father's house.
This guy, they use psychology.
Why should you come and think that it's a problem? Now, children in the media and Kuala Philomba, young to maintain one, you come to say it's a time to score equal with Councillor Lutterodt. With who? You can't say Mobia Samaba near the year Fatou say a bit to say me. Go and listen to the full video.
Councillor, baby, how funny they work could do Abokobio. Yeah, was circle.
Debbie, circle, what are your campaign now? And Uncle, but you never come to.
Oh, right.
Circle, what are your campaign now? I didn't know, but you never come to. Ah.
You be so simple question. Now, say I wow. I'll ban the 5. Say, I will say,
from the beginning, the catcher will say, what you watch is what you hear. I explain to you.
Well, say I don't contradict you. Who there? Maybe Obi will question me, manana. BullDog.
Tell on the cafe got the show. I block okay. Oh no. Because me, I'm angry. No, you are going. You are angry. Call tomorrow. Me the bro. I'm angry. Bomo. Mami come and you've had your take. Let me have mine.
Daddy BullDog can't get out of the patrol.
Mpacho. Make us say me see me patrol. Uti me patrol. It no first because the ebe to us the bomb. Who ever see me patrol as I'm babe to bomb. Who kasa no etie wo. We listened to a tape right now. Who kasa no fine. But the tape different also the here in fact na presenter ni be say oh patrol asema okay wa asem na uka na and I say I wa asem na uka and I say o worry as uko here the uko here na o say wa no o say obisa obi o say oh yeah now you are proud of it and that you are a lion and that no now what about now uka there sometimes me what problem now
so are you done
Malandi
BullDog,
yes.
Did you watch what they played or you watch what I said?
I watched what they played.
So I'm telling you, okay, what they played is out of a full conversation. So if you
it does not matter whether you had a 2-hour conversation.
BullDog,
yes.
BullDog, I am a thief.
You are what?
I am a thief. I stole just 3 days ago. It is coming from a conversation. We are shallow-minded.
Listen.
Sensationalism.
Where be an alcohol and you license? No, who people like you should not practice.
You can take my license from me. But BullDog, this is what I'm coming to. You know, this is what I'm coming to. So a doctor goes to have a child behind the wife.
Don't be giving excuses. Let me talk what the issue where they let me talk about that one.
But no, when you say a doctor, you're talking about me, I be what? I be farmer.
No. The doctor be different. You.
No, I'm a counselor and an ordained gazetted reverend minister, and I'm saying that when I have a child,
you don't deserve those titles.
Does it stop me from becoming that?
You don't deserve those titles. Listen, we are all fallible like Okayeno. But for you to say A and not admit say waka A look it's amazing.
No,
you are not even a man. You were there saying you are a liar. You are not even a man. You can't even say
you're not even a liar to admit it.
Yes, you are not even a man.
Liar.
Onumo.
I'm gonna it's okay.
Yakashiro, but fear one.
Oh, there, your Councillor Lutterodt, good night. But
what is this?
Yeah, Madam Mame, why? Now,
5.
Yeah, the president from Amandilia Bebreno. Now, why you cry? Why?
You said now you're beside our see way.
Yes.
Look, sometimes when people speak, what would you say? Nipa dume chini an accident. You know, we see conversation if you baby yatias here. But you were asked a specific question and you answered.
Yes.
In an affirmative, say, oh, yeah, my way. Now you have also one kasana who the yen fatona. What is he saying?
Pacho, you the yen koso, yeah.
Pacho,
Ochami Kofi wala no si yembisa na
Okay, good.
Ochami.
John, good evening.
Good evening, boss. Eti say.
Yes, so I don't know Pacho bia mo.
Me Pacho wo asem no una ubisa ana awona na enye eyi Council Lutterodt will have them conversation no. Okay, ana wanka.
Okay, now ozi kama minchi obia oti all sheso. Na wa pamfo a watna sinya. But why the country anyama kan fante but man fante kan timotu maka.
Martin.
Mozi kan I make say councillor this year. Seriously, I'm confused. I don't know what he's driving at.
Right.
I don't know why he's trying to change. As somehow okay, I record by video and there's live evidence. A bunch of video now. Me, when I was surprised. One, that he was making such a statement live on radio. And two, the boldness with which he was making it, given that he's a reverend minister, and two, he's a counselor. I was very specific, and I know that counselors no, specifically, I asked them, as American, a site example, another one kasa
inyo.
Emoji to directed there, me.
Inyo.
But also in share
full video inyo. Inyo.
Oh, it's a segment on the show.
Inyo.
That people write to us and then we discuss and then yes, your honor perspective from a counselor's perspective. Many people now can also abandon maybe to make chain now, but was the command and into Yaka Sanimu Northern example. Okay, the Bian Shen, no malice intended. We were just having a program. And then he threw himself in the den. And he said he was a lion and that he said all of that. He was going to come back.
Ozzy show you are.
Ozzy Muslim stays in Timuntum.
Na show you are. Ochami show you are now.
Where ya? Aziz Musokaka.
Okay, Martin.
Maybe my council if maybe merchant and be a Tuesday in university and watch it more party because more can seriously. I'll confuse my. And then I'm reading some of the comments, and people are also believing that the tape is doctored. It's actually live on your platform. Not one question, one. It be a year few.
But Mambisa was a mo. Ibumu said that. Maybe I don't know now. What said I was share now. What trend because ono ka also can be so that I something be called for some time. And why didn't you?
Uncle John, no. But Madam Trenda. I pay me one same fee. Motuma comes that chain. Madam Trenda now go on very bad.
Ampa in your ampa.
On where they are. You just hurt emotions. Nine.
Ampa.
I wouldn't do that.
It says it says here, no, you would state categorically there, them na Council Lutterodt came.
Uncle, I am not mistake too. There's video evidence.
Okay.
Video and audio.
Martin.
Us in Kofunko tape fully. And I am not here to actually call Councillor a liar.
Yes.
What I am doing is immediately he comes in with that defense. It makes me look bad.
Yes.
Like I've doctored a tape to tarnish your image. On what grounds and why would I do? On the printing, I may accept that I'm going to talk because no, I didn't only warble. It's in your face. And my questions were very specific.
Yo, Eddie, that was CP. Yamin show, aye.
Uncle, so.
Yo, bye bye, yo.
Bye bye.
John, you see, people like Councillor Lutterodt,
yes.
They are the problem Ghana has.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
Because he's a liar.
Listen, you can't even be man enough. Listen, first and foremost, you disrespected your wife.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You should be apologizing.
Yeah.
But it's not, and yet, me problem, but you've disrespected your wife. You don't do that to any woman that has gone under the blade for 4 times for you and returned. What is the make? This is a BBC. Me, I'm not even. I will start talking about whether he's giving birth or family. Family, but don't rub it in the woman's face.
Yeah. Who here? Maybe I go nosy.
Jimmy.
Maybe I go nosy.
Hey, Jimmy. This is Jimmy straight.
I go nosy.
No. Oh, I go be.
I go be
expensive.
You know, expensive jokes.
Yeah, they are saying yeah, they are go. But you fuck baby. To the extent say Obusa presenter and he say who or show the wife now. Into who show wife? Wife here who slave of and I said I mean I know man. Oh tonight I be bonus. Me and Chimmy. Me bonus. I mean you don't talk like that. What I said why can say and the annoying part the reason why I'm boiled up. Your friend at least admit it. Be a man to admit say okay I said this. Man can hear. What are you saying? To try and play with whose mind?
But I beg you just apologize to my boss.
Apologize to who?
I beg.
To who? To know to who?
The national TV, I beg.
To the viewers?
Yeah.
Or not to
no,
or something can't say about view Abiaso.
You know, you I beg. You just
I'm slapping him
you I beg.
On behalf of the wife and all the women in Ghana.
You apologize.
Violent talk, okay. I'm trying to be as man. What Charlie, you are
the condo fufu pet. A plus could be an
A plus. Your comment.
Yes, may start is a make us and a catcher say there's something called motivated reasoning, which makes you suffer Solomon's paradox. If you and that is if you don't have intellectual humility.
I see the same. The
cracker says, "Oh, I'm real one afutu na wo de mo obi na say ade bi obeye bia is motivated by the fact say you say wonim nyansa and na say nkofo ma fans it know your whole reasoning is being motivated by your previous and some nkofo aka cancel na cancel ebedu time bi no ubetufo but won't mean too hofo you ti ase it you know me I'm not happy with this whole thing. And I've made it very clear that I won't come and sit here. Me madam for papa. It me for madam for Bertrand Besopan. But Bible say ye thing. To make a check answer say some phone away you know. What you say? No, yeah, simple and straightforward. Because when you be a power like what? What you say, John?
What at all?
Yeah. We know.
And you want to actually look. You see,
no, the women are not happy with that. But look. Women are not worried about 18. What you say? Yeah, me na if you no koko bebre na ade. Yeah, of course. O koko bebre na ade. Me bia me ni bi. Oh.
Yeah, woman. Yes.
But me man say na say dey bia ba girls ye wo krom ha. Na papa no na we obi aware no.
Ori ni.
Ware?
Ori.
Chami kwami no.
And now am for man
sorry.
Yeah. Na di hunahuna nkro.
Enya bibia.
Wo ori aware.
Yeah, man. And the cancer.
Enentia. Oh, tria na papa ko wi obi anka wo betimi ko abe cancer wo papa wi. Why we are cancer Lutterodt papa penny? Why we are worry? What you say?
You have to be man enough to own it.
But John,
no one Nyankopon down for no reader. Nyame na down for bia ye player.
Na
massa,
former president His Excellency Wanyani baby call Nyankopon fa ni currency. Onko no so ni wife. So the bench. Who says oh we as ba ku bi be pay there.
What kind from Genesis?
I don't know ye nim hu.
There be say sa na be see. I'm saying the news that went viral. And who buso so ni wife there.
Bema o ye we kra ya na we ni e kakra.
O den.
Stability will fail.
Stability will fail. So the only council and but me can do.
Oh no, I don't know. Look, there is no law in this country, even in the Bible. Read from Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st and 2nd.
I think we all understand that.
There is not a single quotation that is against polygamy. The only issue is that you can't come and say it and go and lie about it and try to make everybody look stupid and be
exactly.
So Arnold, why do you think that Councillor Lutterodt was a son?